For today's video, let me show you how you can understand Shopify reports, how to read them, and tips for effective analysis to drive your business forward. It's Techman once again. So let's begin this tutorial by going to the shopify.com and log into your Shopify account. On your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Analytics from the left-hand menu. On Analytics tab, it gives an overview of key metrics, including total sales, online store sessions, returning customer rate, average order value, and more. Under Analytics, you'll see various reporting options like Reports and Live View. Under the Analytics menu, click on Reports. In the Reports section, you'll see different categories such as sales reports to track sales performance, including total sales, sales by product, and sales by traffic source. Next, you can see your customer reports over here. It is to understand customer behaviors, including returning customers versus new customers. You can also track behavior reports to monitor store visits, sessions, and conversion rates. And lastly, financial reports. That's pretty much it for Shopify Analytics. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.